Good day, everyone. So, welcome to our topic about chemical reactions and equations and the types of chemical reactions. So, what is chemical reaction? It is the process by which a chemical change takes place. So, a change where a new substance is being formed. So, a chemical reaction is original substance to form and change into a new substance by means of the physical and chemical properties. So, for example, what chemical reaction is this? Okay, very good. The burning of a matchsticks. This one. Very good. Having a HCl or hydrochloric acid in our stomach, digesting of food, rusting, okay, of iron, melting of ice, crumpled paper, and an axe. So being axe on a piece of wood. So we have evidences, okay, of chemical reaction. Number one, we have change of color, formation of gas, change temperature, change in smell, formation of precipitate. So dito malalaman natin, ito yung mga evidences na nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction or physical or chemical change. Okay? So we have two types of changes. So we have the physical and chemical. So what are the difference between the two? Physical changes involves only a change in the appearance but not in the composition of the material. Ibig sabihin, yung appearance ay nagbabago but the composition is still the same. While chemical change involves not only change the appearance, but also the composition itself. Okay? Parehas nagbabago the appearance and the composition. Example number one, healing of wounds. What is that? Physical or chemical change? Okay, it's chemical change. Rotting of banana, physical or chemical? Very good. So opening of a carbonated soft drink, physical or chemical? Okay. How about dissolving sugar in water? Painting a piece of wood, physical or chemical change? Photosynthesis, physical or chemical? Crushing chunk of ice, physical or chemical? Okay. Milk turning sour, physical or chemical? Okay, chemical. Ice cream melts under the sun, physical or chemical? And cutting of stainless metal plate, physical or chemical? Okay. So we have chemical equation. It is a shorthand way of expressing chemical reaction using numbers, symbols, and formula. We have two major parts where we have reactant and the product. So reactant is the starting material, while product is the new substance. Example, alin sa dalawang yan ang reactant? Okay, very good. It is the reactant kasi ito yung mga ingredients. And ano ang product? So ito yung product. Ano? Meron tayong sinigang na masarap. So again, it is the reactant and the product. So now let us study these symbols, okay, involving chemical equation. And these are the meanings. So kapag nakita tayo ng plus or plus sign, it indicates that the substance are added or mix or reacts with. Okay? Next, pag nakita tayo ng ganitong arrow, it means it yields, makes, or produces or forms. Separate the reactants from the product. So yung ibig sabihin, pinaghihiwalay niya ang reactant and the product. Okay, ang tawag dito pwede tayong produces, kasi product, pag reacts, reactant, reacts with. So arrow down means the precipitate is formed. Okay, nagkaroon ng precipitate. Arrow up, the gas has evolved. Okay. Next, S means solid form. L means liquid form. G means gas form. AQ means aqueous solution, or the substance is dissolved in water. And we have the triangle means the heat is applied. Okay. So we have types of chemical reaction. Okay. So what are the different types? So we have 6 types of chemical reaction. Number 1, we have here combination, okay, or synthesis. A reaction when 2 or more elements combine to form a single product. So makikita nyo dito, for example, we have general equation A reacts with or reacted with B produces, ang bas dito, produces AB. Okay, example, sodium. Okay, sodium added with or reacts with chlorine produces, ang basa ito produces, sodium chloride. Okay. So we have here, so sodium. No, kung ilalagay natin, so for example, ikaw, okay, at yung iyong crush, not girl yan. Yeah. Ikaw at ang iyong crush. So, nag-produce, naging kayo. Wow, ang sweet, diba? Ay, yeah, sweet. Kasi hawak kami kayo. Yeah, very good. Okay? So, ganun siya. So, pag nakita kayo ng ganitong equation, sodium reacts with chlorine gas, produces sodium chloride. So tawag natin dyan ay combination. So the second type is decomposition. Decomposition, a single reactant breaks down into simpler ones. It is the opposite. Yan, kabaliktaran lang siya. So AB reacted with A, reacts with B. Okay, produces. For example, we have sodium chloride. So pinagbaliktad lang natin. Sodium chloride produces sodium reacts or added with chlorine gas. No? For example, ikaw, ang iyong crush. Okay. Diba naging kayo? Ngayon, after 3 months, yan, after 3 months, LDR kayo. Hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. So, nangyari, nagkahiwalay kayo. Oh. So, naging ano na lang kayo. So, naging pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana. Okay. Next. So, next we have single displacement or single replacement. So, it is a substance can be an element or compound capable of replacing one of the atoms in a given compound. So, we have AB reacts with C, produces AC, reacts with B. Okay. Example. So, we have here potassium bromide. Makikita nyo. So, we have potassium. We have compound here, potassium and bromine. Ang pinagsama is potassium bromide reacted with or reacts with chlorine gas, so single element, produces potassium chloride. Okay? So makikita nyo ito. Ito yun. It produces potassium chloride added with bromine gas. Okay? So kung ilalagay natin, di ba ikaw, si Anek. So ikaw. So ito yung ano, yung jowa mo. Ayan. Ngayon, so ito yung ngayon, pinakilala ka sa kanyang best friend. Okay? After kayo pakilala sa kanyang best friend, ni girl, so kayo, after kayo pakilala, anong nangyari? So ito, kulot-kulot na lang. Kulot-kulot siya. Nangyari. Kulot-kulot. So anong nangyari? After 1 week, nalaman mo na, ala, magkachat pala sila. Oh, so kulot-kulot. Yan. Oh, nalaman mo. Kaya after 1 month, naging sila. Tapos ikaw, wala na, single ka na. Kasi ikaw, pinakilala mo. So, kailan afford? Nag-away kasi daw kayo. Ayun. So, ganun siya. So, ang tartan. Kaya nangyari, naging single ka. So, single displacement. Next, we have the double displacement or replacement. It is a reaction in which ions get exchanged between two reactants, resulting to the formation of a new compound. Example, AB reacts with CD, produces AD and CB. So, ito, pwede kayong magkapalit dito. Pwede itong A, C, B, D. Na, pwede ganun. So, we have here, example, silver nitrate. Ayan, makikita mo, it is 2 or more elements. So, we have silver nitrate. This is the A. Okay. This is the B. Reacts with magnesium chloride. Ayun, ito yung CD. Then produces, so ano ito? A, silver chloride, AD. Kasi naman, magnesium nitrate. Okay, so we have magnesium nitrate. So we have C and B. So sila yung so sila yung nagsama, ano? Tawag natin dyan yung double displacement, ano? So kung lalagay natin, para siyang ganito. So, di ba ikaw? Yan. Kasama mo si Anek. Yan yung jowa. Lalagyan tayo ng girl. Ayun. Pinakilala mo siya, kayo, may double best friend. So, si Kulot na boy. Yan, si Boy yan. Si Kulot na boy. Si Kulot na boy. Tapos, jowa niya din, si Kulot na girl. Yan, so, si Kulot na girl. Yan. So, ngayon, ang nangyari, nung after nasa ano daw kayo, sa camping, nag-camping, so, naging mag-ano pala, naging mag-best friend, si Kulot na boy at si Tutoy. So, naging mag-best friend sila. So, ganun din si girl. Okay? So, nagkaroon siya ng bagong BFF. Okay? Si Kulot. Diba? May mga drawing. Yan. So, parang ganun. That is the double displacement. Parang double D. No? So, pag nakita kayo ng 2 or more, then added sa 2 or more element, produce yun. Lagi nyo tatandaan ang arrow representing produces. Okay? It means pinaghihiwalay niya ang reactant and the product. Okay? Example, so we have the baking soda and vinegar. Ano ba nangyari pag pinaghahalo natin yan? Di ba? Parang nag-create ng bubbles. Okay? So the vinegar, maritime formula na CH3COOH, reacts with NaHCO3. So tawag natin siya baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. So, laging natin tatandaan, itong arrow na ito, sineseparate niya, okay, ang reactant. At kung saan nakaturo yung arrow, yun yung product. So, nakaproduce tayo ng sodium acetate and carbonic acid. Okay, or kaya meron tayong carbon dioxide na napoproduce. So, the fifth type is the combustion burning reaction. A reaction wherein oxygen gas combines with hydrocarbon, a compound containing carbon and hydrogen atoms, forming carbon dioxide and water. Okay? Carbon dioxide and water as the product. Lagi nyo tatandaan, lagi itong gas, lagi meron siyang oxygen gas. Lagi nyo tatandaan, a combustion reaction always has oxygen as its reactant para makaproduce ng carbon dioxide and H2O or water. So ito, pag nakita kayo ng ganyang product, it means combustion burning na yan. Tsaka ganitong reactant. Okay, ano yung mga CNH? For example, methane gas, di ba? Methane is So, methane. Okay. Ano naman natin na ang methane ay CH4. Okay. CH4, so ito yung methane gas, added with oxygen gas. So, makakaproduce tayo ng CO2 and water. Lagi niyong tatandaan, para makaproduce, okay, ng isang combustion o ng burning, okay, ng apoy, lagi mayroon siyang tatlong element. Ano? Kailangan niya ng source of fire, okay, fuel, ito, and napakahalaga ng oxygen. Ano? Kaya pag may oxygen, ibig sabihin, nag-create ng fire. Kaya nga, di ba, minsan, pag nag-iihaw ka, kailangan paypayan, minsan, iniihipan mo, ano? Kasi kailangan niya ng oxygen gas para lumaki yung apoy. Okay? So the other one, and the last one, is the acid-base reaction or neutralization. It is a special kind, sabi dito, it is a special kind of double displacement reaction that takes place when an acid and a base react. In general, the products of this reaction are salt and water. Kapag ang product ay laging salt and water, acid-base reaction siya. Example, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloride, reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is, this one is acid. Okay? In-add mo daw sa basic, sa base, na sodium hydroxide. Okay? Sodium hydroxide, isa sa mga sangkap na paggawa ng sabon, produces, okay, sodium chloride or table salt and water. Pag ganito ang product, automatically it's acid-base reaction. Dapat ganito din ng kanyang reactant, okay, acid plus base. So the acid-base reaction is a special form of double displacement reaction. So remember that. So this is your activity. Identify nyo anong element to. Anong types to. Is it combination, single, combustion, decomposition, double, or acid? Okay, that's all. Bye!